Okay, let's draw this helical gear. Okay, we have to start from the top plane. Okay, draw two circles. Okay, dimension 200, the outer one. The inner circle is 138. Extrude 36. So go to extrude 36. So next we are going to sketch on this surface, this arc here. So I select this space, sketch. Okay, let's draw a center line. Draw the center line. Okay, draw an arc. 3-point arc. 3-point arc. Okay, give a radius of 50. Okay, let me drag this. Click and drag. Okay. That's dimension 46. Dimension 46. Dimension 113. Okay. Dimension 1. So let me drag here a little bit. Okay. So let's dimension the arc. Here 30. Okay, click this dimension. Go to leaders. Under others. Under leaders. For minimum. Minimum. Okay. So let's change this one to 30. Okay, click this point. Control. Click the arc here. Make coincident. So now it's fully defined. So that's it. Next, we are going to create a plane. So go to plane command, select the up, second preference, select the point. So this plane 1. Similarly for plane 2. So go to plane, select this up, and select the endpoint here. Okay, let me hide the two plane. Okay, on plane 2 we are going to sketch this profile. So go to plane 2, sketch. So let's draw a center line. So make sure the center line is coincident to the origin. Okay, normal 2. Okay, let's dimension this one 4 mm. So it's very small. Okay, so I'm going to draw these two lines, 5 mm and 2 mm. So draw line. I draw outside. Dimension this one 5 mm. Draw another. So select the midpoint. Control. Select the origin. Make coincident. Okay, draw another line. Make sure it's horizontal. Dimension this one 2 mm. Select the midpoint. Control, select this point here. Again, coincident. So now we are going to draw a 3-point arc here. Go to 3-point arc. Okay, this dimension is 10 mm. 10. Sorry, fully defined. So let me mirror about this center line. Okay, so we have done the sketch already. Okay, on plane 1 we are going to create the same sketch. So plane 1, sketch. Okay, draw a center line again. So repeat the same process. Make sure that you can snap to the origin. Make sure it's vertical. Number 2. Okay. Dimension this one 4 mm. Okay, let's draw line again. Horizontal. Okay, dimension 5. Same procedure. We click here, control click, and make it coincident. Okay, draw a line again. Dimension 2 mm. Okay. Click the midpoint. Control click this point here. Coincident. Again, draw the 3-point arc. Dimension this one 10. It's already fully defined. So let's mirror. Sorry, delete. Mirror about this line. Okay. So completed. It's fully defined. Okay, then we use a cut loft. We're using loft cut. So sketch 4 already selected, so we select sketch 3. Guide curve is and click OK. Okay. So now you can see the profile, the tip profile. So next we will go circular pattern. Circular pattern. Circular pattern. Select the face, feature, and make it 70. Okay. Okay. Next part is we are going to draw this portion here. So behind, click, sketch. Draw a circle. Dimension 120. Okay. Convert entity. Let's convert. Let's draw a center line. Dimension this one 66. Okay, let's draw a line 5 mm. Select this midpoint. Select here. Coincident. Draw line. Draw line. Draw line. Trim. Undo. Okay, trim again. Okay, so our sketch is fully defined. So we 20 mm. Okay, change the direction. Let me select this contour. Okay. Okay, we have completed the model. Thanks for watching.